Let's do question 10. During a cutting operation on a milling machine, the horizontal force exerted by the milling cutter is 2.5 kilonewtons. The milling cutter has a diameter of 200 millimeters and it rotates at 95 revs per minute. The feed of the milling cutter is 0.275 millimeter per tooth and the cutter has 60 teeth. Calculate the following if the average feed is equal to the tangential cutting force, the cutting speed of the milling cutter. B. The power consumed during the cutting action of the milling cutter. C. The power consumed by the feed of the milling cutter. Let us list the data down. The cutting force is 2.5 kilonewtons. The cutter diameter is 200 millimeters, which we can convert to 0.2 meters. We are given the speed of 95 revolutions per minute. The number of teeth is 60. We are supposed to look for the cutting speed of the milling cutter. Find the power consumed during the cutting action and the power consumed for the feed of the milling cutter. To calculate speed, we use the formula pi times diameter times rotational speed all over 60. So pi times 0.2 times 95 over 60 will give us 0.995 meters per second. Let's calculate the power consumed during the cutting action. To calculate that power, we use the formula power is equal to force times velocity. We have the force, the horizontal force. Let's multiply it by 0.995, our velocity. This will give us 2487.5 watts, which we can write as 2.4875 times 10 to the power 3 watts. To find the power for feed, we are going to use this formula. Power is equal to force times feed speed. We do have the force, which is 2.5 kilonewtons, but we do not have the velocity. To find the velocity, we have to follow these stages. One revolution is equal to 60 teeth. Each tooth takes out 0.275 times 10 to the power negative 3. So, if you are to say 60 multiplied by 0.275 times 10 to the power negative 3, this will give us speed per one complete revolution, which is 0.0165. The revolution per minute are 95. So if we say 95 times, then multiply by 0.0165, this will give us 15675 meters per minute. This is the feed per minute. To convert it to seconds, we divide by 60. This will give us 0.026125 meters per second. The final answer for power is given by 2.5 times 10 to the power 3 times 0.026125. This will be 65.3125 watts.